At the hospital.
How are you feeling today?
I feel a little weak.
Do you have any pain?
Yes, my stomach hurts.
Is the pain strong?
No, it is not very strong.
When did the pain start?
It started last night.
Did you sleep well?
Not really. I woke up many times.
Do you feel dizzy?
Yes, sometimes.
Have you eaten anything today?
No, I haven't.
Are you hungry?
A little, but I don't want to eat.
That's okay. You can eat later.
When can I go home?
We need to check you first.
Am I very sick?
No, don't worry.
That's good to hear. Do I need an injection?
No, you don't need one right now.
That's a relief.
Try to relax and get some rest.
Okay, doctor.
Drink some water, too.
Can I drink it now?
Yes, but drink it slowly.
Okay.
Do you feel cold?
Yes, a little.
I'll bring you another blanket.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Thank you for staying with me.
Of course. Get some rest now.
My leg hurts.
What happened to your leg?
I hit my leg on the table.
Oh no! Does it hurt?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
Can you move your leg?
Not really. It hurts too much.
Is it swollen?
Yes, a little.
You should see a doctor.
I don't want to go.
Why not?
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. I'll go with you.
Maybe it will get better soon.
Maybe, but we shouldn't take a chance.
You're right.
Can you stand up?
I'll try.
Slowly. Don't move too fast.
Ouch! That hurts.
Okay, sit down.
I can't put weight on my leg.
Don't worry. I'll help you.
Thank you.
Can you walk a little?
I can try.
Take it slowly.
It still hurts a lot.
Let's go to the doctor now.
Okay.
What happened to your leg?
I hit it on a table.
When did it happen?
About an hour ago.
Does it hurt a lot?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
Can you move your leg?
No, it hurts when I move it.
I see. Is it swollen?
Yes, a little.
Don't worry. I'll check your leg.
Okay, doctor.
Does it hurt here?
Yes, a little.
And here?
Yes, that hurts more.
You may need an X-ray.
Is it serious?
We'll know after the X-ray.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Air pollution. The air looks terrible today.
Yes, look at all that smoke.
I think we should go home.
We just got here.
I know, but I don't feel good.
What's wrong?
My eyes are starting to itch.
Mine feel a little strange too.
I think it's because of the air.
Maybe you're right.
Do you have your mask?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Put it on before we go.
Good idea.
My eyes are getting worse.
Let's not stay here.
Okay, let's go. Let's take the short way home.
Yes, I don't want to stay outside.
Are you okay to walk?
Yes, I'm okay.
I can see our building.
Good. We're almost home.
My eyes are getting worse.
Just a little more.
Okay. Let's close the windows.
I'll close them now. Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. My throat feels better already.
That's good.
Let's rest.
Good idea.